In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your email contact list from Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file of your contacts that you can back up, move to another tool, or analyze in a spreadsheet. A CSV is a simple, universal file format that opens easily in Excel or Google Sheets, making it perfect for quick review or sharing with your team. First, sign into your Klaviyo account and head to the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Audience, then click into Lists and Segments. This is where all of your contact groups live. We'll be working with a list, which is a static collection of subscribers, rather than a segment that updates dynamically. Next, select the specific list you want to download. Click the list name to open it. If you manage multiple lists, double-check you're choosing the one you actually want, especially if you plan to use this file for a migration or a backup. In the top right area of the list page, open the Manage List menu. This menu contains administrative actions for your list. From there, choose the option labeled Export to CSV. This tells Klaviyo you want a spreadsheet-style file of your list data. You'll now be asked to choose what to include in the export. Email is required, and it's the core identifier for each contact. You can also include first name, last name, phone number, and any custom fields you use, such as tags, preferences, or sign-up source. If you're not sure what you need, keep it simple with email plus name fields. You can always run another export later, with more columns if a team member requests them. Remember to consider privacy. Only export the data you truly need, and handle phone numbers or custom attributes carefully. When your selections look good, start the export. Klaviyo will generate the file for you. For small lists, this usually finishes quickly. For larger databases, it may take a bit longer. It's fine to keep working in another tab while it processes. Once the export is ready, download the CSV file to your computer. Open it with Excel or Google Sheets to review the columns and spot check a few rows. Make sure the headers look correct, names align with emails, and custom fields appear as expected. Save a copy in a secure location and, if you're sharing it, use approved internal channels to protect your subscribers' data. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your contact list from Klaviyo. Thanks for watching.